This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by naming the exact prediction or insight and the metric you will optimize. That choice guides every decision. Once done, inventory available datasets, note formats, size limits, and label quality so you know constraints. Create a Python virtual environment, open a notebook, and initialize Git. Make a minimal README describing the problem and metric. This gets you coding immediately instead of debating tools, and it preserves reproducibility as you move into exploration. You now explore data with quick visuals and numeric summaries to reveal distributions, missingness, and leakage, document surprising patterns. Next, clean and transform, impute or drop, encode categoricals, scale numeric features, and build time-aware or stratified validation splits so results reflect real performance. Then implement a fast baseline like logistic regression or decision tree, measure the metric, and iterate. Add features, tune hyperparameters, and swap models. Make incremental changes and log results so improvements are measurable and explainable. You finish by running a final evaluation on an untouched test set and assessing robustness across subgroups, uncertainty, and calibration. This confirms the model meets your success criteria. Once satisfied, serialize the pipeline, write a lightweight inference API, and add monitoring for input drift, latency, and metric degradation. Deploy to a staging environment and smoke test. If things go wrong, first inspect data and labels, then replay the pipeline to find drift or preprocessing mismatches. These are the most common failure points.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.